Question came up, and I love answering questions here at Historical Recreations. How do you mix terracotta paint? Today I'll be showing you with this tutorial how to mix up anything into terracotta color. We're going to be starting off with Naphthol Red Light number 615. I'm using an Epic brand acrylic 605 permanent yellow deep. I'm also using a 999 black acrylic. My favorite of all colors in the acrylic family is a burnt umber number 925, and we're using a little dot of white today. I'm using a 901 acrylic. So let's put out our palette here and start our mixing. You get your colors laid out. Again, we're going to be using the red, the yellow, the black, the burnt umber, and the white. So I'm going to do a generous amount of the red as a basis. We're going to be mixing in our yellow. You're going to see kind of a pumpkin orange being formed. If you want the most perfect pumpkin orange, a Naphthol red and a permanent yellow deep number 4, or whatever color you can find, work perfectly for the most perfect pumpkin color imaginable. Now, once you blend those two in, you get that pumpkin color. We are now going to add a dot of black to this to tone it down. You can see I'm using the cross hatching technique to blend all of my paints, and then we'll be using a little dot of the burnt umber here to even bring it down a little bit further. You're going to see a nice burnt orange color now forming. Once you have created this, bring in your white. Watch the transformation. There it is. Boom. We have created terracotta. Now, if you're like me and you love terracotta, which is a great color, you're going to be painting all kinds of things to look like this color. And just get a terracotta pot if you have one and check the color to make sure it is in your range of liking. That is a beautiful terracotta finish. Now let's go paint our pot. What I got over here is my plastic pot, and now I'm going to be applying my terracotta finish on it, and watch the transformation begin. This finish came out really, really nice. Gothfully yours, Professor M.